pollution is a challenge because in our country there is no particular substitute for something. Suppose you are using polybags, is there a substitute for that? Paper. Then for paper bags we need to cut trees to get paper. Even if we try to recycle papers, suppose black paper which is used from recycling paper, even then we are not able to ban polybags, because in local area or in local market you can see, or you can go there, you see people are still using polybags. uh, is is there
It's very harmful for the air. It's very
So do you want
harmful.
to say that you should ban polybags?
Yes, sir, definitely.
uh, is there any substitute that you want for is there any substitute that you need, that you think
Of polythenes.
of polythene?
Sir, fabric polybag.
I think you want to oppose him. Okay, yes, let him speak first. Yeah.
So I recommend you for the fabric polythenes which is now available in the market. So you should everybody should avoid polythene plastic bags, and which is very harmful. So that is, and think we should all use fabric.
So let me try to counter it. Even if we try to reduce pollution by replacing cloth bags, handbags,
Bags made up of clothes, so cloth bags, right?
bags made up of cloth. Even if we try to reduce by that, but there is still air pollution which we are trying to control, but not able to control. Me myself suffering from air pollution. There is air pollution because
Yeah, so what are the causes? I mean, why do you guys feel
Do you
that?
think,
Yeah.
why do you feel pollution is occurs from fabric? Are you want to say this?
No, he's saying what, I mean, he's talking about the air pollution. So, question I have is, what are the causes of air pollution?
Sir, like factories, and there are many like factories. Everything is occurs from each and other, like water pollution, soil or air pollution, water, the water companies water
Companies,
chemical.
okay, release chemical or their waste into the
Into the
water
water.
bodies like rivers and ponds. That's what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, and this causes by this cause the water polluted, and this mixture
Yes, yes, come on.
this
Good, good.
mixture is air will mix in the air also, air polluted by this.
Okay.
Air polluted.
here we talk about the forms by which air pollution is causes. First of all, our vehicles. Even if we try to get electric vehicle, how we are generating electricity? Generally from thermal energy which uses heat, that affect our global warming. So, is there any way for us to reduce air pollution?
I think electric vehicle is the good for reduce the air pollution, and on the other hand we also
Just carry on. You're doing good.
we also should maintain a chimneys which like on the which on the high of the sky, and the bad air goes through there, and very polluted by any other things. Like, sir, could you please help?
Sure. First of all, the traffic That means your vehicles that you're using, they're the major cause, right? Then there are several other aspects over there. Sometimes you burn the waste over there, like polythenes. When you burn polythenes,
Yes,
or
sir.
any plastic material, if you burn it again, it causes some harmful gases. So we need to understand the types of pollution, especially within air pollution, or I would say that what sort of things are producing this pollution, right? So there could be a poisonous gas which is not good. Anything apart from oxygen that we say that we should not breathe, like carbon dioxide, monoxide, or something like that. I'm not going to get into the chemical, dissection of these aspects, right? So if you go over there you will find that there is a problem. So this problem which causes some sensation or some health problems while you breathe, for your breathing system, for your lungs, that can be defined as a pollution, right? Then when you start burning things, plastics, polythenes, and anything like dungs, or there are things like you burn wood. So all of these will produce some poisonous gases. In addition to that, whenever you might have seen in your close proximity over there in your neighborhood, whenever there is a construction over there, what happens over there? Construction. What happens? Lot of dust and then fine particles which are really not good for our health. You feel that. So there could be n number of reasons behind this air pollution. Then factories, right? Industries. There could be that could be a pollution. The inverter that we use,
Yes.
the sine wave or whatever inverter we use over there, electricity inverter, even they're using some batteries, if I'm correct, right? Even those batteries are sometimes releasing some gas which
Know about it.
no my the inverter guy, yes.
But I know about generators. They used to
Diesel and petrol
uh,
generators.
these produce harmful gases which are very hazardous for our lungs. Or even if we go to Delhi, we see how much air pollution. Almost 1 lakh per year patients are there because of the pollutions. And recently, you see in January or in December that there is so much pollution that even hard for buses to ride on roads because of the fog.
And that's kind of smog nowadays, like smoke plus fog. That's what we are, which is, yeah, rightly said. It's very hazardous for the health as well. You want to say something? What do you think about this pollution thing, Suma?
No, sir, I don't know, sir.
You don't know what is pollution?
Yeah.
You know what is pollution? Please tell us. What is pollution? What do you know about pollution?
Sir, अभी idea नहीं आ रहा।
Okay, how many types of pollution are there? Try to speak in English. Don't hesitate.
3 types.
How many types of pollution are there?
3 types.
3 types. Can you tell us what are those types? Whatever is coming to your mind, please tell us.
Sir, 3 तरह के हैं, water, air और noise.
So, yeah, you should speak in English, buddy, right? So there are,
3 types of
3
pollution.
types of pollution.
you know that you're already speaking. Why do you want to change your language? It's good. Yes. First one is
Air pollution.
air pollution. Second one is
Water pollution.
water pollution. Third one is
Noise pollution.
noise pollution. Okay, good. Prab, would you like to discuss or share some thoughts about the types of pollution that Sumant has shared with us? Air, water,
Air,
soil.
water,
What do you
noise
think? Yeah.
pollution.
What are the causes of this?
Firstly, I talk about the air pollution. Air pollution is day by day increase in life because lots of vehicle in our areas and that's the reason vehicles have lots of
Vehicles.
have lots of increase air pollution and we are on the other side we are using electricity vehicles
Vehicles.
electricity vehicles so I think it's less than air pollution less than increase air pollution.
Okay, what causes water pollution?
Water pollution are increasing in factories and garbage, because lots of people डस्ट में सर क्या बोलते हैं उनको? मतलब जो हम गार्बेज निकालते हैं वो हम मतलब कभी फेंक देते हैं.
They throw
nearby.
throw it in nearby.
We throw it nearby river.
Okay, water bodies, rivers or ponds or lakes.
Rivers, ponds and lakes. So that's the reason that's the reason water are polluted for these
Rivers
things.
are getting that pollution. Rivers are getting polluted, right?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, how about soil pollution? What causes soil pollution? Can anyone tell me what causes soil pollution? Anyone wants to address?
Soil pollution is soil pollution. like अपना जो farming वगैरह जो करते हैं.
Absolutely.
Farming,
Yes. So what do they do?
They use chemical
Pesticides and insecticides, kind of fertilizers.
That even harms the beneficial bugs and worms that help to grow.
So like farmer-friendly bugs, they also kill them.
They also kill farmer-friendly bugs, which is very helpful for the farmers and to help soil fertilize.
Can you give me an example of that kind of person? I mean, not person, that kind of entity,
Entities,
living being,
I
the
don't
soil
know.
thing, earthworm.
Earthworms.
Yes.
They eat the leaves and help in manuring the soils with it.
And
They decompose the decay leaves and
Absolutely.
bodies. Suppose is there any animal that they decompose the animal or any waste and help in developing fertilizer or manures particularly.
Absolutely. And you know what this earthworm, how does it help? So it actually goes in the ground, then comes out of the ground. So the work that a tractor or the machines are going to do, this earthworm is doing that task like more than tens and thousands of times over there in their entire life cycle. That is how they're very helpful for the farming field, for farmers, for the soil and everything. But yes, nowadays we have started that practice. Once again, we are going back to the roots.
So even if we, according to me, air pollution is the highest dangers.
Is the most dangerous.
Most dangerous in our country, especially in Delhi, in the heart of our country. It is very harmful for, even if we talk about the children, it causes so many lung diseases. Suppose like fungal infections because of silicon in the air, or the carbon monoxide may cause them asthma. There are various diseases caused by air pollution. According to me, air pollution is the dangerous pollution.
Most dangerous
Most
pollution.
dangerous pollution.
Okay, guys, are we done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So yes, we had a very good discussion over there, right? I like that. So yep, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.